Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into TQQQ. We originally published a report on our website on Thursday, November 9, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.28. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. TQQQ has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 5.29% since we first recommended buying it 6 days ago. This means the stock has been performing at an average daily return of 0.88% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a break above the top trend line at $39.07, as it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially signal a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -11.46% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between -30.34% and -9.49%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 83.24% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging between 52.67% and 159.84%. In other words, the price could reach anywhere between $58.35 and $99.31 after a year. Our latest update on TQQQ reveals a weaker technical forecast as the ETF has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 2.38%, dropping from $39.15 to $38.22. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 4.33% between a low of $38.06 and a high of $39.71. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 9 instances, resulting in a 23.85% increase over the last 2 weeks. Despite a 34 million share increase in volume on the last day, the prices have been falling. This could potentially be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 127 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $4.86 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 18.92%, equivalent to $8.92, below the 52-week high, and 79.98%, equivalent to $152.66, below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for TQQQ, an ETF with potential investment opportunities. The TQQQ ETF shows positive forecasts as it holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, the relation between these signals indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there is expected support from the lines at $37.54 and $36. However, it's important to note that a breakdown below any of these levels will result in sell signals. Turning our attention to the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, there is a buy signal indicating potential positive movement in the near future. However, it's worth mentioning that some negative signals have also been issued, which might have an impact on the short-term development. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -2.38% decrease so far. It is anticipated that the price may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's also noteworthy that volume rose on falling prices, which could serve as an early warning sign. Consequently, it is advisable to closely monitor the ETF for further insights. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to support levels, TQQQ has some key ones to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we see accumulated volume support at $35.70 and $34.47. Testing a support level can be risky, as a break below it may lead to further decline. In this case, if $35.70 is broken, the next support level is at $34.47 and $30.86. TQQQ is known for its volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements within a day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval, which adds to its high-risk nature. Looking at the past day, TQQQ had a price range of $1.65, representing a 4.33% difference between the high and low. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been around 3.34%. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market is experiencing an upward trend, we can identify the first resistance level for TQQQ at $38.88. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is trending downward, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $35.70. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.84, which represents a decrease of 3.62%. This particular ETF exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in higher risks. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? While TQQQ holds several positive signals, we don't find them to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it's better to consider it as a hold candidate or accumulate in this position while waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, November 10th, we expect TQQQ to open up $0.443 and start trading at $38.66. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.